how's it going? Austin Reed here. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Alright, in this video we're going to be going over how to set up Python to make a dropshipping program, okay? Now what do I mean by a dropshipping program? Well, I'm going to show you guys how to make auto ordering, auto tracking, and arbitrage programs for any website you want. Any website at all, okay? I'm going to go over everything step by step, exactly how I make my programs, things like that. So I know this video is a little bit tedious, and if you're good at programming, you know, this is going to seem a little redundant, but I do have to show people how to set up Python so that everybody's on the first page and that we can actually, you know, teach a whole community how to make their own programs for dropshipping, okay? So let's go ahead and jump right in. Alright, to start off, go ahead and jump over to python.org/downloads. I will leave a description in the link below for you, okay? And you're going to want to go ahead and pick the latest release, which right now is 3.6.5, okay? And you're going to scroll down and you're going to want the executable installer for Windows. Okay, if you're on a Mac, install the Mac. If you're on Linux, you're going to have to figure it out. You're going to have to, you know, do some research, but it is possible to get it all next to. But anyways, boom. So alright, you download that, you install it. Now make sure when you install it, there's a checkbox that asks you to install, to allow executables to run from the path, PATH, and it will be all caps. Make sure that you check that box. If you don't, you're going to have a lot of problems with pip install and with just trying to get certain things to run properly, okay? So make sure that checkbox is checked when you install the program. Of course, I've already got it installed, so I'm not going to download it right now. But alright, next, you're going to want your ChromeDriver, okay? So you can just go straight to Google, alright, and search ChromeDriver download. Of course, I'll put a link to the description below too for this, okay? And just go to the latest release and just download it for whatever operating system you're using. So in this case, Windows, okay? And then the last thing is you're going to want Sublime text, okay? Or any text editor. It doesn't really have to be Sublime text. It could be like Notepad++ or you know, whatever you want it to be. But I like Sublime text. It's free, it's easy, it's colorful, it's easy to organize stuff. So yeah, it's pretty simple. Alright, now once you have all that installed, okay, you're going to want to go ahead and type in CMD. Hit enter. This opens up your command prompt, okay? And then you're going to go pip install and Selenium. Alright, now Selenium is the program, the module that we're going to use to automate the browser, the Chrome browser, okay? You could, of course, use Beautiful Soup or URLlib. Alright, I don't use them because, well, I do use them, but I don't teach them to people because Selenium's really easy to see and it does everything you need it to do. It might be a little slow, but I mean, for people who aren't very good at programming, Selenium definitely is the better option as far as that goes. Alright, and the very next thing you would type in is pip install pillow. Alright, now what this module does is this module actually takes screenshots of the page. So if you're ever trying to grab like tricky product images, or you're trying to, you know, go past like a CAPTCHA, you know how Google's got like the, you know, click on all the images that have cars, or like enter in these numbers, please enter the CAPTCHA or whatever. Pillow will help you get past all of that, okay? So I'll teach you how to get past CAPTCHAs too. Alright? And outside of that, that's pretty much all you need. That's how to set up Python, get it ready to go. I recommend you throw a folder on your desktop, call it Python or dropshipping scripts or something, okay? And then you throw the ChromeDriver in there and everything else. That way everything's all in one spot, ready to go, real easy. Alright. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video of how to set up Python for making dropshipping programs. I do know that that was a bit tedious, but that's okay. Now if you want to see the full dropshipping program creation tutorial, we're going to be making auto ordering programs, auto tracking programs, we're going to be making arbitrage programs, all kinds of different programs. So if you want to see that, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below, and you guys have a wonderful day.